Hey guys, Mark Antoine here from Savannah, Georgia. And if you're looking at this video, either you're an ID Life representative who's just looking to generate more leads, more sales, and more signups, and really maximize the compensation plan. And let me tell you what, that means you have the right mindset. Because the network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have simply studied the craft. Be present in this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets and reveal industry secrets rapid fire. There's no fluff, no time wasting. It's just facts. I'm going to save the #1 golden nugget to the very end, and that's going to give you instant results. That will give you some instant results. So ready, set, and here we go. They sell you on the golden promise. So that's when you see people walking the stage, you see the cars, the flashing money, that kind of stuff, and they're selling you on that golden promise as if that happened overnight. Guess what? It didn't happen overnight. Those people put in a lot of time and they put in a lot of effort. Your network marketing company is not your company. You may like the products, compensation plan, and your upline, but the truth is that you don't own the company. So it's not going to be particularly helpful if you're blasting your company logo and blasting your link all up and down Facebook. Your network marketing company doesn't pay for advertising. So instead, they have you the affiliate. Make a list of 100 people. Contact your family and friends. Blitz at the mall. Talk to strangers. Host hotel parties. Guys, I'm not knocking those techniques. I grew up around those techniques. I've used those techniques. I know they work in terms of networking. But in terms of effectively marketing your business, it's going to do little for you to attract your ideal customer and client. And here's the problem. I once heard one of the top earners saying, hey, if you talk to 10 people, 2 are going to take a look. If 10 take a look, 2 are going to join. And if 10 join, 2 are going to do something. And if 10 do something, 2 will become leaders and make some serious money. Now, when I heard that, that was a lot of encouragement because I had made 5 lists of 100 people and I was still ready to go and fired up. But here's the problem. Are there 1,250 people on your list? Because here's some real numbers. Instead of talk to, take a look at, and join the opportunity, here's what the top earners are actually doing. They're having people get views to content, valuable content online. They're having people click on the link, whether that's the capture page or the replicated site. And then at that point, people are joining the opportunity. This means that if you talk to 1,250 people, 250 people are going to take a look, 50 are going to do something, and 10 are going to make serious money. Whether you talk to or view, it's the same thing. You take massive action to get that number of people to your content. Question is, are you up for the challenge? Who's the audience that's going to produce the least amount of resistance? It's not family and friends. It's not people on Facebook. It's not people in the parking lot in the shopping mall. It's other network marketers who have a like-minded mindset. 95% of them are going to be struggling, putting you in a position of value to give them those solutions. Okay, and you also want to attract those people who are looking to get into network marketing as well. So imagine if you didn't have to hear, oh, is this one of those things? Is this a pyramid thing? Is this a scheme? And is this I'm a hater? You don't have to hear that anymore because you're going to be talking with the right message to the right people. Okay. None of that stuff, because it's a common mistake to think you got to talk to every random person. Your message is not, and your business is not for everybody under the sun. The common mistake is to think your business is for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, essentially you're going to be marketing to no one. Attraction marketing system is when you give value up front. You have your lead magnet, your capture page, you have your funded proposal, and then you're following up. Self-hosted blog posts, these are some essential tools you're going to need for that online business. Self-hosted blog, you're going to need lead magnet, capture page, autoresponder, customer relationship manager, and webinar software. Okay, so here's some important things to remember. This is not business media. It's social media. People are coming on there to be nosy, nothing else. So with that said, stop pitching, because you're going to find if you constantly are trying to pitch and close people, you're only going to attract the type of people who try to pitch and close you. And that's because your vibe attracts your tribe. Your visibility in truth is going to trump your ability. Your content doesn't have to be perfect. Don't think it has to be perfect. Know that it's valuable, put out the content and get it in front of massive amounts of people. That's your job 2 to 3 times a day. Take this consistent action, teach, promote, and connect. Make sure you pre-qualify people. You want people who are positive, business-minded, active, and social. Don't get bogged down by negativity or what somebody is saying. Block, delete, move on with speed. Okay, branding yourself. Make sure you're branding yourself. Make sure that you're not branding your company. Here's a suggested model. Create valuable content that solves the problem of your ideal customer and client. Attract the right people to you. Generate a lead. Connect with the lead. Determine the need. Because at that point, you're going to have the solution on the other end. Your content marketing plan should revolve around how to get more leads and more sales, which is a byproduct of having the right message, the right value for the right market. Here's your number one golden nugget, and it's one word: speed. Your network marketing business lives and dies on 90-day cycles. Your results in your business today are directly based on what you did 90 days ago. I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to check out the link in the description. If you want to continue education, go ahead and click that link. And it's going to show you, it's going to walk you through point A to Z of exactly what I had to do, where now I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day. Some people even sign up into my business on complete autopilot. I left a link in the description that's going to show you exactly what you can do to do the same thing. Go ahead and click that link. And I hope you got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.